Calm down. We have been running around this village for some time now, and you're the first person that we are seeing. Please, we're looking for our way out of this place. We don't want any trouble, please. We just want to leave this place, please.
That is not my question. My question is, what are you people doing here dressed like this?
We followed his friend to a vacation, and he wanted to use us for sacrifice, so we had to run away.
Please help us. Help us, please.
Really? So everything they told us about the modern world is true. People are really wicked. You both must be hungry and tired, right?
Yes, we're hungry and tired, but that's not the problem now. Our main concern is how to leave this village. Please help us. Please.
The truth is, there is no way out of this village. Eh? Yes. There was a great war between our village and the neighboring village, which we only mingle with, and the modern world. So the two communities came together and sealed this community with great power, so that no one from the modern world can come in. And if anyone sees you both like this, you will run alive. So, and once any stranger is seen, they are killed to avoid any further threat from the modern world.
Please help us.
Help us, eh?
Please, you can't be killed.
What do we do now? Help us now. We left our family in the modern world, just like you said. Please help us.
You both should be fighting for your life before you think about other people. You can only have hope if you are alive.
Yes, okay. We'll do whatever you want us to do, but please just help us. Please help us.
So, what? It's difficult, but okay. You know what? You both should never talk about the modern world to anybody. You will not let anyone know your true identity. Because it's a great taboo. And you'll be killed immediately anyone finds out that you're from the modern world. That's the only way I can help you. So if you agree to keep the secret.
We accept, we will. Please. Yes. Help us, please.
Okay, fine. The thing is, my mother is from the neighboring village. So I will tell everyone that you're my mother's only brother that just got married and decided to come live with us.
Okay.
That way, you both will be safe.
Thank you.
I will give you my father's court to settle for now. But before that, I will need to rush back home, get you something to change to look like us.
Okay. No problem. So we should just wait for you.
Just hide behind there. Do not let anyone see you because it might be dangerous if anyone sees you.
Okay, we will hide.
Just I'll be right back.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
The great daughter of the goddess. You are you. But them I don't. And they smell differently. I believe it's because they are not from this village. He is my mother's only brother. Yes. What's your name?
My name is Toby.
Osi. Toby, quickly. Better. You're welcome. May the gods of the kingdom protect you. Thank you. Thank you.
She looks scary and beautiful.
Shh! She must still hear you. She's the daughter of the great priestess of this village. She's very powerful. She's one that protects this village from every evil war. So let's go before she comes back. Let's go. Let's have her.
have seen the one my heart beats for. Oh, his eyes shines bright like the sun, and his lips so red like roses. Mama, I think I'm in love.
Ugomma, is that why you interrupted me? You know you could be punished for this.
Mama, I just want you on my sheet to hear the good news. I'm in love.
I know you're talking about Chima, the greatest hunter in Amambu, the son of the chief who the gods has prepared for you.
I'm talking about Tobechukwu. He's from Amanato. Mama, you need to see him. I'm in love. You even know himself. He's a masked maternal cousin.
Shut up! What are you talking about? Is that how love works? Ugomma!
Mama, I thought I'm meant to get whatever I want. Why can't I have him?
Ugomma, you are meant to have whatever you want. That is why the gods has prepared the greatest man in this kingdom for you.
The other maidens in this kingdom can have him for all I care.
Ugomma! Okay, Mom. Forgive her.
How about Tobe? Is he resting now?
Yes, he's resting. You know, the journey from Amanato to Umopo is very far. So he's very tired and he's resting.
Okay. I like him.
You like who?
Tobe Shukwu. I like him and I want him. I want to be with him. Tell him and we can be friends.
Yeah, I would really love to be friends with you, but you came a little bit late. You see, to be my brother is married. The lady you saw with him earlier is his wife, and they are newly married.
I guess I came late.
Yeah, but we can still be friends if you don't mind. She behaves so strange, but still everybody wants to be her friend. I wish to be my brother would bring me luck too, because I still want to earn her favor.
What brings you back here, Ugomma?
Have you changed your mind to help me?
Ugomma, I know you are persistent with what you want. So I have made findings about Tobechukwu. Ugomma, that man's heart belongs to another woman. He is married. Let him be.
I can't let him be. I am meant to get whatever I want. And besides, I have a plan. His wife is going to leave him anyways.
I won't be part of that plan, Ugomma.
Hear the plan first. Hear it first. You know, in this community, it is a taboo for a woman to disrespect the husband. So I'm going to sham the wife. She's going to disrespect her husband. And they will be separated. Look, Mama, I need your help. As the kingdom says the wine.
Ugomma, I can never be part of that. I will never be part of any taboo you are about to start. Ugomma, be careful.
Mama, you know I have the power to do this without you, right? I just needed you as the kingdom says the wine and nothing more.
Ugomma, I gave you that power. Be careful.
I've heard you.
Ugomma! You are about to commit the greatest taboo.
I don't even mind us being in this village forever, as long as I'm with you.
Me too. I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, this is really good.
Stop. Leave me alone.
Oh, this palm wine is really good. Oh, why did I not think about this sooner?
Listen, you've drunk It's okay.
Leave me alone!
It's okay. Stop.
Listen, you know what? I want you to stand up and go and tell Ike man to get more of this palm wine. I need to drink a lot.
No,
okay?
No, you have to stop drinking. You already had enough. You've already had enough. Stop.
Stop, leave me alone. Let me drink.
Stop. Hey! What is wrong with you? Stop. Stop.
Asodogu, the most beautiful maiden of this kingdom. Even your steps encourage me a lot. Or should I talk about your beautiful eyes?
Chima, you're stating the obvious. So you trying to use those words to flatter me are useless.
Ugoma, I'm not flattering you. I'm only trying to
win my heart. Chima, listen. My heart belongs to another. Never will I be with you.
I forbid you. You are my betrothed. And I do not share. No. I am the greatest man. Nobody dares me.
And I am the great daughter of Amalan Sobele. The greatest deity of this kingdom. And of the snake world. I am owned and ordered by nobody. Chima, don't steal.
I am Chima, the greatest hunter of this village. I am the greatest warrior. I fought the spirits. I am the greatest of the greatest. No youth of this village can cross my path. I own you, and nobody, no man can dispute that fact. Even your mother knows that.
I know Ugoma, my daughter, can be very stubborn. But do not worry. I am her mother. I will handle her.
That's why you better do. Because nobody dares the greatest hunter of this village. I fight both the spirits and the living.
Do not speak in anger, else you spoil something. Remember, I gave you that power you used in boasting. I made you win all the warriors. So do not speak in anger.
That's why I know all this. And I'm very, very grateful for all those things you did for me. Yes. But that's why Ugoma is trying to spoil our plans, and you know it.
I just said do not worry. I, Ezewani, I will handle this. Come make me happy. The greatest warrior.
You're
so handsome. Oh. You know how to make it. You know what? You can go. I will get back to you. Ugoma, why are you here?
I know he has come to report me. It's not even money.
Since you know he has come here to report you, why then did you insult him?
Is that what you call that? I only gave him a piece of meat and he's already shivering like a woman. He's not man enough. Mama, he can't handle me.
Watch your tongue. You don't speak to him in that manner. Even if you don't love him, offer him a little respect.
I have protected this village since I was born. Don't I deserve some respect too?
Ugomma, you deserve some respect. Same way he does.
Mom, I'm tired. I need to go and rest.
You can go have your rest. But make sure you apologize to him first thing tomorrow morning.
As the one you has spoken.
Who poured my palm wine and replaced it with water?
Obi, this your new habit of drinking. Do you think he's good? Drinking every morning, it's not nice for a woman who's expecting a child.
You did not answer my question. Who poured my palm wine and replaced it with water?
I did, okay? I am tired of you drinking every time like a drunk. Come on, you're praying to have a child. How can you get pregnant if you keep drinking like this?
Really?
Help me, hey, help me please, help me. I don't know, my wife is after my life.
Yes,
my wife.
Nobody can hurt you.
I do not want to have problems with you. Stay out of this. I want to live with my husband.
I have heard how you disrespect your husband in this village. You know it's a taboo, right?
What will you do? Try me! Enough!
Enough!
Hey!
Enough, Ugomma!
Hey! Why now? Why did you slap her? Eh? Did you want to kill my wife for me? What is the meaning of this now?
Ugomma, enough! Enough! The young one has spoken. Leave his wife for him!
Toby, she will kill you. You don't have to go with her.
Yes, let her kill me. As long as I die in her arms, I'm okay. Sorry.
Leave me alone. You reported to her.
No, I did
You
not.
reported to them.
No.
Eh? I do not have time for any of you. Toby, you will see me at home.
Amanda!
Toby, you don't have to go with her. Stay here. I promise to let you live like a king. Please.
Thank you, but I love my wife, please. I don't want. Thank you, Edom.
Toby! Ugomma! Let the young man be! Ugomma! Ugomma, stop!
It's okay now, eh? Okay, listen, I'm sorry, okay? I have warned her that this should not repeat itself again. Nobody has the right to lay hand on my wife. I'm sorry.
You know you are very annoying and wicked.
Okay, I accept it. What I did was wrong and annoying. I shouldn't have poured away your keg of palm wine, and I'm sorry.
Now you know what you did was bad.
It's very bad. You know what? I personally will go to the market and I will replace that keg of palm wine. I swear, I will. Please.
I want to bath. One boy me water.
No problem. I'll go and put the water for you. Oh? It's okay now. It's okay. Babe, from the very first day I saw you, your skin color was what got me attracted to you. You're so beautiful.
Please take it easy, eh?
I'm sorry. You know my hands are really strong, so I'm trying my best to be soft on this your smooth body.
You talk too much. Wash down there.
I like washing your body. You know it's my hobby.
Make sure you wash down there very well.
Okay.
Love.
Wash it! Wash it!
Sorry, I'm washing it.
Greetings, Sigoma, the great daughter of Abalance. To who do I owe this great honor to?
Greetings, Ekema. Have you heard from your brother Toby and his wife?
Yes, yes.
Yes? So you've not heard how your brother's wife has been maltreating him in this village?
Gombo, please. Do not report this to your mother yet. I'm finding a solution. I'll find way to this, please.
I don't want solution. I don't have patience for that. I believe in action.
I'm sorry, Gomba, please. But you know that the man is supposed to report to the S1 first before action can be taken.
You're right. I will let you find solution.
Thank
but
you.
Listen, once he complains, I'll kill her myself.
Hey. You want? Because of our land, please have mercy. Eh? Toby will not put me in trouble. Who will want to have issue with Ugoma in this village now? I don't want to believe that the story that has been going on in this village is true. Who is that crazy? Most of the same man. Wait. Are you by any chance referring to me as an untrained fowl?
That's what you want. Since you do not know how people speak.
Me? Is my own father's pet?
Oh, I gave it to my husband. So, go and find your own man.
A quick reminder. Women disrespecting men in this village is a problem. And once the woman's husband reports to the everyone, she will be once alive or sent to the evil forest.
Let Toby one. Before you start running your mouth like you're making faults.
I can say you've charmed him.
Huh? Go out there and look for your own man, Jack. And leave the man alone. For me. Get out.
And if I don't want to go,
then you have a seat and you don't listen.
I don't have time for a long time.
Ọjà délé mbombo tinti mbombom. Ọjà délé mbombo tinti mbombom. Nwoke mara mma na mmụọ.
Greetings, great flower of our time.
Ekemma mara mma. Greetings to you, my beloved. And how are you doing today?
I'm fine. It seems that the gods really blessed today's hunting because I can see you plugging some recently.
You know, the gods are wise. They really blessed me today, and that is why I've set up my pots and everything.
Oh.
I don't want to waste this meat today, so, and every good hunter deserves a reward.
That's true. Hey, that reminds me. I heard your mother traveled to the neighboring village. So who is cooking for you? Can you cook?
Ekemma, that's true. My mother traveled to my maternal home. Yes, she did. And I cannot cook quite alright. But I don't want to waste this meat that the God sent to me today. So that I will just cook it anyhow I can manage. And that's it. You know?
Okay.
Yes.
You don't have to waste it today, not when I'm here. Can I help you if you don't mind?
Ekemma, don't come and look for my trouble. You will cook for me.
Of course, if you wish. I'm just asking. I'm not doing anything, so.
I don't need to ask. Come and cook for me. I know it will be delicious. I know.
How do you know it will be delicious?
Ekemma, with this beautiful face, it must be delicious. Come and help me.
Thank you.
The way this meat is shining, that is the way you're shining.
Taste the food before you start praising.
I don't even need to taste because I know it will be sweet. The gods are wise. Hey. Oh. 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 Mm. In fact, you are the best cook.
Thank you.
You got me. You got me, oh.
Balanza, you scared me.
Why?
I wasn't expecting to see you.
Kedupan?
Odemma.
Where are you coming from?
See, please, I'm sorry. See, I did not have anything to do with your betrothed. Seriously, it was just a friendly gesture. Please forgive me.
Okay, ma. I saw the way you look at him. Do you like him?
No, I don't like him. I have a sweetheart that is very serious with me.
You don't lie to the daughter of Amalan Soble. Do you like him?
Yes, I like him, but it's not just me. He's liked by all the maidens in this kingdom as the most strongest and respected man. That's just it, nothing.
Do you wish to have him as a husband?
Mba. Okay. Yes, but only wish. I swear with my life I will never go close to him again. I will not even greet him again. Please do not hurt me. Please, I'm sorry.
You can have him.
You say?
Yes, you can have him. It can be all yours. My heart belongs to another. Just help me get your brother to leave his wicked wife that maltreats him, and Chima is all yours for all I care.
This is strange, This is strange. Because I don't know who would leave Chima for Tobe. Tobe is just a nobody. And he doesn't even befit your status. I don't know why you like him.
Are you in or out?
I'm in.
Good. I'll be watching you.
Okay. I will do my best.
Toby, that reminds me. Why would you allow your wife to treat you the way she does? Especially in this kingdom that has strict rules guiding them.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
You mean your wife has turned you into weakling in this kingdom?
Wow.
And you don't have any respect in this kingdom again. See, I'm not a gossiper like my brother, as you people said. I will say the truth to your face.
Am I from your kingdom? What am I doing with your respect? Listen, where I come from, in the modern world where I come from, I am a very, very respected man. So what am I doing with your respect?
Tamechono. Just clean your mouth. You see, we and Amanato have almost same traditions. And nobody will respect a man who is afraid of a woman he calls his wife.
What are you people even saying here? Who says I'm afraid of my wife? I only love and respect my wife, that's all. And I'm not doing anything to her because I love her. Okay? Not that I'm afraid of her.
Your wife is coming.
What is the meaning of this now, Why are you doing this nonsense now? What is the meaning of this?
Just look at it.
My brother, you are a weakling. In fact, you are a disgrace to manhood in this kingdom.
Don't stop that nonsense, please. How can you be telling me that nonsense?
Tobe. To be your wife is coming.
Yeah, let her come.
To be, no, this is serious. Your wife is coming.
I said let her come, please. Leave me alone. What's the meaning of that nonsense? How can you be telling me that my wife is coming, that so I'm not... Amanda, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here drinking when you have a wife to attend to at home?
Just go back
Is
to the
a
house.
married man supposed to be drinking with bachelors? Toby, answer me.
Amanda, stop.
Is a married man supposed to be drinking
Amanda,
with bachelors?
what is the meaning of this now? Why are you embarrassing me like this?
So this is true. You have the right to hit him. Don't worry, that's why I must hear this.
I do not have time for you. Oh yeah, let us go.
And he's not going anywhere. He's not going anywhere. Come and drag him. Yes.
I do not have time to fight today. But I will treat you later.
Toby!
You will meet me at home. You will meet me at home.
Where do you think you're going to? Where are you going to? Toby, are you charmed? Are you charmed? How can you let a woman treat you like this? See, in this kingdom, we are known for having the most beautiful maiden. Just report Amanda to the S1 and you're free to pick any maiden of your choice that will give you the peace that you deserve. Even the most beautiful and powerful maiden of this village seems to like you. You do not have to live your life like this.
Ekemma, please. I am not reporting my wife to anyone and I don't want any other maiden. Leave me alone.
Can you imagine?
Obim, don't mind your brother. Come and sit down with me, Don't mind your brother.
See, let me tell you. My wife...
Echechel, you mean that Ekemma did not notice my presence? What just happened? Mbano.
Ejiofor, my wife can never treat me like this. I'd rather remain single.
I'm talking about Ekemma, I'm talking about her.
I am your husband. Why are you treating me like this now? Why?
Why did you leave your wife unattended? Why? What was that act? You see today, I will teach you a lesson you never forget.
Amanda, why are you doing this? Why? Since we got to this place, you have completely changed. And it keeps getting worse by the day.
You will sleep outside today.
Amanda! You think I get me? Amanda, I warned you. I warned you, but your mouth were busy running like a leaking pot. So today is your end.
Everyone in this community has heard how you disrespect your husband, which is a taboo.
Today we have all seen it with our own eyes, so it is time for us to take action.
So what are we still waiting for? Let's carry her to Ezewan and set her ablaze immediately after the ritual,
Amanda, I think you all misunderstood us.
What are you talking about? We also heard she embarrassed you out there. And here you are begging like a little child. Or didn't we see it happen?
We did.
My wife and I were just being lovers, okay? We have our different ways of showing love. We love to show love in a strange way, so this is our own way.
But we?
This is not a matter of what. Please. Every husband and wife has a special way of showing their love. We love to show us in a strange way. And this is us playing love. If you don't mind, please leave my compound.
See, listen to me. You do not have to be afraid. For we, the old mother of this community, we are all by your side. Do not be afraid, okay?
Please, leave my compound. We are just being lovers. This is love. Is it not love? Are we not playing love?
My husband did not accuse you. Who will?
So, Tobe, you're asking us out of this compound, right?
Yes, please, leave.
No problem.
Let's continue what we're doing.
Oh, mother of Umo will let us go. For we shall return. Because I know that her charm will not last forever.
Yes.
Let us go. For you, we will come back for you. Let's come back.
You have done well. There shall be a reward for you. Let us go inside.
See, you're saying I have done well. If you're acting this good now, will we be having issues?
Okay, you talk too much. Let us go inside.
Great Amalanze of Obolo. I am here to appreciate you for all you have been doing for this great kingdom.
Greetings, greatest one.
Welcome to Amalanzi of Obulu. What can I do for you?
Greatest one, I've come on behalf of my brother. His wife has committed a great taboo in this community, and you will not come to report her.
Who is your brother?
His name is Tobechukwu. He's my mother's only brother who has come to live with us in this village. His wife pants on him like a Swopaniam, and he will not come to report her. Even this afternoon, I and some maidens caught her maltreating him, but still he will not come to report.
Young lady, this report is not meant for you. Go back to your brother and let him do it himself.
Listen, why that is the problem. My brother will not come to report her no matter what she does to him. I've tried all my best, we've tried all the people, but he will not come. I think my brother is charmed, that's why.
Are you married? I said, are you married?
No.
Then focus your energy on getting a husband. Let your brother pee.
What if she kills him as a man?
I just said, focus your energy on getting your own husband. Amalanze! Okay, mom. Ugomma! I know you're up there. Come down. Ugomma.
Mother, why are you disturbing me? Can't I have my peace?
Ugomma, I have warned you. Stop using your powers publicly. It is meant for your personal use. To save this village.
I've been excellent with my work. I've been saving them from wars for years. What can I do for you, please?
Ugomma, I gave birth to you. I trained you. I taught you how to use your magical powers. I know you're up to something. Manimana, oke so olungwele mamili. Oko olungwele, oya akolo oke. Ugomma.
Mother, I have served this kingdom for years. I protect them from wars. I protect them from the outside world. Why can't I have whatever I want?
Ugomma, you have the most respected and powerful man in this village. What else do you want? Ugomma, how dare you attack your master?
Mother, stop calling his name. I don't love him. I don't want him. I can never be with him. I'd rather bear the consequences of living with who I want than be with that man.
Language, Ugomma. Watch your language. Do not wish for what you will regret, young lady.
I'm sorry, Mother.
We will continue this conversation when you get back to your senses.
Beautiful Goma, you're welcome. Let's go so I can offer you something.
I'm not here for anything. Why haven't your brother reported his wife yet?
I think my brother is charmed though. Because I went to the SNY to report myself. But she asked me to mind my business, which I'm not giving up yet. Because you know my business is getting my brother's wife out of the way. With a huge gain, so I'm not giving up. Don't worry.
Stop going to my mother for that. Just stop it. Focus on getting your brother to report his wife. I don't have patience.
Okay, no problem. I will do that. In fact, I don't even need my brother in my next strategy. So by the time I'm done with her, she'll run out of this village on her own. Do not worry, I have my plans.
Good. What's your problem? Huh?
Ugoma, what is it? Why do you hate me so much? I'm the most handsome man of this village. All the whole maidens want to be with me. What is your problem?
The only reason I haven't struck you to death because of my mother. I don't know what you've done to her. But listen to me. I can never be with you.
See, let me tell you something. Your mother knows what is actually good for her daughter. Yes, that's why she chose me. The gods chose me for you.
Mishono, shut up! Listen, and listen very good. I can never be with you. Even if you are the only man left in this village, I can never have anything to do with you. I've met a man that I love so much, and I can't leave you for you weakling. Do you hear me? You can't handle me. Get out!
You dare call me a weakling? Woman! Me, the greatest hunter of this village, the Obuago, the greatest man in this village, you call me a weakling? You just crossed the line. Here's why. I want to know the man that made Ugoma call me a weakling. I really want to know who the man is. The greatest hunter of this village. I want to strangle him and tell Ugoma that I am the greatest of all.
I know Ugoma, my daughter, can be so stubborn sometimes. But she will come back to her senses.
You don't understand. Ugoma belittled me. Yes. Nobody dares to drag my woman with me in this community. I am the greatest of them all. I want to know the man as a man. Please, let me see the man. I will strangle him and tear his heart and feed to the lions. I am the greatest of them all.
Why are you so pained? Don't tell me you now love my daughter more than you love me. Or have you forgotten the reason why you're getting married to her? You're doing that so you can get close to me. And you dare stand here to brag about the powers I gave to you. Have you lost it?
I'm sorry. But I'm pained. Somebody belittled me in this community. I'm sorry for getting you upset.
Now leave my presence. And when you get home, remind yourself the reason you are getting married to my daughter. Now leave! Leave at once! He dare drag about the power I gave to him. He's forgotten the reason he's getting married to my daughter.
This one you visited.
Don't even act like you don't know why I'm here. Don't even try it.
The last time I saw you was in your hut, which is my father's compound, and you chased me out disgracefully. So the only reason you're here is because I do not know why you're
Ekemma, I appreciate everything that you have done for my wife and I. Thank you for bringing us to your village and thank you for the sisterly role. But I will not have it when you try to bully my wife.
What nonsense are you talking about?
My wife was attacked by some group of people today.
Did she tell you that she saw me there?
Their face was covered.
So what then are you here?
Ekemma, I know you very well. This is something that you can do. I know how much you hate my wife and how you want her to be punished.
Well, I didn't do it. But may the gods bless whosoever did. She deserves it.
I said it. I said it is you. Why do you hate my wife like this? Why? Your only reason is that she maltreats me and I am her husband. So is it a crime?
Yes. It became a crime the day you stopped being a man because of your love for a woman. Why am I even talking to you? Next time, whosoever did the beating will beat her again that she will not be able to use her mouth.
Oh, this is what you're saying,
Yes.
eh? This is what you're saying. Next time, come with your real face. I will make sure that my wife hits you to the extent that all your teeth will fall off. In fact, you see this thing that you said now, I'm going to still tell her. Don't worry.
Look at him. You're not even ashamed of yourself. Don't worry, next time I will beat her that I will not even be able to recognize her. Coward.
Take it easy.
Calm down now. I have to press it hard so that it can touch the bone and the veins.
I beg, take it easy.
If I don't massage it well, how will it now stop paining you? Just calm down. I think Ekema is behind these people that attacked you.
What? I will not take it lightly. I have to go.
Wait. You've not even healed and you want to go and fight Ekema?
No!
Please let it be.
I want to show her that thing that she wants to see.
Please.
I want to give her what she wants.
Listen, you can't go and be fighting Ekema now. People will see you as troublesome. Please, just stay here. Let it go.
You think I'm troublesome? Oga, shut up. You talk too much. Continue what you are doing and don't be hard.
Ejiofor. Chimamanda. I really want to know why Ugoma called me a weakling. So devastating.
Chima. Well, I think she's making all of this up. Yes.
Ejiofor, why do you say so?
Chima, don't get me wrong, okay? I know that she's a beautiful girl. She's one of the most beautiful maiden in this village. And no one can dare ask her out. But come to think of it, now that girl acts like a spirit. Yes. Everyone sees her as such. And from another side of the story, who dares you in this village? Who is the young man that has the effrontery to dare you? No one can challenge you. Ubuago. The greatest warrior of our time. One day, she's making all of this up.
Ejiofor, one name. Ejiofor! You don't know Ugoma. You don't know Ugoma. Ugoma cannot lie. She is pure. Ugoma that I know would never make this thing up. So this whole thing is coming out directly from her heart.
Well, if you say so, I'll just put ears on ground. Once I hear anything, I'll report to you.
Please do. Please, Ejiofor, please do.
I will.
Also, what of Ekema? It's been long I saw both of you. What's up? How far?
One day, I don't understand anything. I don't understand what is going on. She gives me attitude. In fact, she doesn't come to our hideout anymore. I don't know. One know if now does it.
Well, Ejiofor, you're my brother. She's my very good friend. So I will try as much as possible, to talk things out with her, to see what the problem is. So I will sort it out for you, my brother. You don't have a problem.
Hey, Ezibo. The haloso.
It was the boy. But please, try and put your ears down for me. It's very, very important. I want to know the reason she called me. You hold me. I go. You're weakling.
Go to, I'll find out.
So you are the coward that decided to wake up a sleeping lion.
And who is this mad person that decided to come to someone's house early in the morning just to make noise?
Did you call me a coward?
What will you do?
Are you mad?
Again, what is going on? What is happening? You want to fight her? No, now. See, just start going because I don't want to beat you. Before they say a Jofo has beaten somebody's wife.
Hey. Do you think you can beat me? Just look at you. And look at me. Do you think you can beat me? I do not want to talk to you. Ikemma. Ikemma. I will be back for you.
I am waiting for you anytime.
Enough.
Oh, I can see that.
It's okay. Please, just drop this.
Leave me alone. You. I will come back.
Anytime I'm waiting for you. I am ready for you.
I hope you know.
Please leave me alone.
What have I done?
What have you done? In your mind now, you've come to protect me, right? If they even allow you, can you beat her? Before, please get out of my house. I do not have something to talk this morning.
How? What have I done to you? I thought you said you loved me.
Me? Love you over my dead body. If I ever said that to you, I must be drunk when I said it. Me, love you. You village gossip. Please get out of my house.
I should go.
When you're done, you can leave.
If not for that village gossip, I would have beaten her. I would have beaten her to death.
Amanda.
Yes, so you know what? It is my victory. So come, let us go inside the house so we can make victory
Amanda,
love.
stop. What is wrong with you? You have changed since we got to this village. You don't even give me respect again as your husband. You now turn me into a punching bag.
I do not like this nonsense you're saying. I do not like this nonsense. Listen to me now and follow me.
So what I'm saying is nonsense, right? What I'm saying is nonsense, right?
Toby, follow me inside now or be ready to sleep outside.
I am not going anywhere, okay? I'd rather sleep outside or anywhere else than sleep inside this hut with you or even make love to you.
Toby! If I go inside this hut, I will lock the door. You will not come inside till the next day. Follow me now.
I'm not going anywhere.
I am greeting you.
Amara, how are you? You see?
I am fine. What is the problem?
Well, is he not your friend? It's your friend. You can imagine she called off our engagement.
Do you both have a fight again?
Which fight? I have never had any issues with her. I don't know why she's acting like this. Huh?
It's okay. It's okay. You come with me to Mazi Okafo or tomorrow so that I will deliver my message from my parents to you.
Oh, why don't we go now? Huh?
Mba. Tell me tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes. Look at you. You're absent-minded. Anyway, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Emma.
Have you come to mock me?
No, now.
So why are you in my house? After you sent your wife to come and beat me up just because I was looking out for you, why are you here?
Emma, I can never send anyone to come and kill you. Eh? I am not even in support of what my wife did. That is why I am here to beg you to please forgive her.
Tobe, please leave my house.
Listen, I know you're angry, but please, you need to calm down and hear me out. Please, calm down.
See, let me tell you. The only thing that will make me calm down and listen to you is if you promise me that you're going to marry Ugoma. That lady loves you so much. So if you tell me that you're going to leave your wife that has been maltreating you and go for someone that loves and respects you, then I will calm down and listen to you.
Listen, Ekema, I love and respect you so much. And yes, I know my wife's attitude has really changed ever since we got here. But she's still my wife and I love her very much. I have to go now. I'll come and check up on you later.
I don't want to see you in my heart again. Don't come back. Don't ever come back.
Hey, Ekema.
Mama.
Why are you forcing your brother to leave his wife and marry Ugoma? It is very bad somehow.
And what makes it bad? Amanda is not even a good wife to him to start with. So, how is it bad?
I don't think he will leave his wife. Why don't you allow him to be? Let him be. Bikono.
Of course, if Amanda was a good wife, trust me, I will not get involved in all these things. That lady has made me a weakling in the presence of his fellow men. So I think he should follow someone that loves and respects him.
Ha! Even Ugoma that is pushing to engage with the most man that cannot challenge Chima.
Amara, see, let me tell you, there's nothing there to challenge. Ugoma doesn't love Chima. So she has promised to let me marry Chima if I can convince my brother to marry her.
Eh? Hey! Wonder shall never end. It is very clear to me. No wonder you done a job for.
So, why should I talk about a job for the village gossip? While I can have Chima, the village warrior, all to myself.
Hey! If you like, you go to Ejofo and Chima. Nne, if I were you, I will run with the speed to pick anyone I choose.
No, you're talking like my friend. I'm glad you're saying the truth. Please come and help me arrange my hair, Jerry.
Okay, ma.
Ejofo,
Chima, man. Chima, there's trouble. Chima, wonders shall never end. Chima, how on earth will a woman make a decision for a man? Eh? How on earth can someone choose a weakling over the strongest and the most powerful person? How?
Ejofo, I still don't understand you. You speak in parables. I don't understand. Please, explain to me. What are you saying?
Chima, I overheard Ekema telling her brother Tobe to leave his wife and marry Ugoma. You can imagine that?
Ejofo, calm down. Just for clarification, I still want to hear you well. Ejofo, what did you just say?
Okay, you see, Ekema has a brother by name Tobe. And everybody knows that his wife has been using him as a punching bag in this village. And that is the person your so-called betrothed chose over you.
Ugoma choose a weakling over me.
This is someone that only your sight can scare him away. You can imagine that. Mbano.
Ejofo, Anamabia.
Chima. Oh, Chima, you have not paid me for the information I just gave you. Huh? At least you would have given me wine or even maybe palm wine. You just left like that? I have even forgotten. Chima, wait!
Have you come to finish what you started? You won last time because I was unawares. But now, I will be sure to fight you.
Trust me. If I came to fight you, you would be on your knees now. I didn't come here for trouble. I came for a bargain.
Not like I'm scared of you. What is the bargain?
I want your husband, Toby. I will lead you out of this village to your world. And then I will give you wishes. I will make you live like a princess in your world. I will make them adore you.
Inasmuch as your offer is tempting, what is the use of my riches without my husband? It would be useless.
Riches can never be useless. Riches and power is what you need in this world. And in your world too. You can get whatever you want with it and do whatever you want.
No. My riches and power will be of no use without my husband. I know money and power is good, but it can never give you as much happiness as happiness will give you. I know I have not been treating my husband well recently, and he has been enduring a lot. But I can't stop. I really want to, but I feel like something is controlling me. If my husband married me for money, and then the money suddenly finishes, he would have left me by now. But he didn't. He endured all my crazy acts on him, and he still stayed till now. So please, I do not need your money, nor your wealth, nor your power. I'll pass. Please forgive me. I really thought I lost you. But I really tried to stop at times. I do not know what the problem is. Please, it has never been intentional.
Just get up. It's okay. You're my wife. And I cannot stay angry at you for a long time. I am also willing to wait for you to change.
Have you eaten?
I've been wandering around the village.
Have a seat. I will go and get bushmeat. So, I will prepare it specially for you. Huh?
No, I'll prepare it myself.
No, you don't have to stress yourself. Just wait for me, I'll be back, okay?
I think I have to go and call Uche and the informer to come and join us here instead of going to the village square for the rehearsal.
I think that will be better. You know my condition. I can't go too far from the house, from my hunt. Yeah, just
okay. Do now. No problem. Let me rush. Okay.
All right.
Oh, Chima, is that you?
Kedu?
Adimma.
I hope all is well. You don't sound happy.
Ekema, I thought we were friends. Why did you support your brother to marry Ugoma? Knowing fully well that it's going to spoil so many things. Mine, myself, my relationship, and that of your brothers.
I'm sorry, Chima. I'm sorry.
Well, that's by the way. Ekema, I only came here just to set the record that I know all your plans. So you should stop the pretense and stop pretending like you're a good person. No. For the record, I would have taken it all, but the man in question doesn't want this challenge. That is why I will have to let this slide. If not, Ekema.
Chima, see. You know, I did it for the love I have for you. You know, right? She promised to let me be with you if only I can let her have my brother. And besides, my brother's wife is not even a good wife to start with. So, you know, I like you. I've been wanting to be with you. So, immediately the opportunity came and I grabbed it. Chima, you know I like you and I know you like me too.
And then what happens to Ejiofor?
Who is Ejiofor? Who talks about a village gossip? Who is talking about Ejiofor? When I can be with you, Chima, the most strongest and respected man of this community, the greatest warrior of Amokpo Kingdom, you're talking about Ejiofor. Even Ejiofor's mother would reject Ejiofor for you. No? Just...
Are you sure?
Of course I am.
Hey! Ow! What am I seeing?
Hey! Stop it! What are you doing here? Have I not warned you to stop coming here? You village gossip. You can't just be in one place and mind your business.
So, Ekema, you are even happy? Chima, I thought you were my friend. Chima, what have I done? Oh, I was even helping you out. Getting informations for you. You now choose to use this your two balls to dangle around my own Ekema. You see today, you that Odogu they call you, I will know.
Ejiofor, I know you are hot, but you have to calm down. Ekema said she doesn't want you, she doesn't love you. Exactly. So stay clear away from her.
Where? I should stay clear from her.
Ekema, come and see me later. As we discuss.
Come and see you later, where?
Come and see me later. Ah!
Hey! Chima, I think you've injured me.
No. That was the issue. Shh.
Hey! Shh! You can't breathe, Chima!
It's not there. Just a push.
You've killed him!
Shh! Before the whole village has come here. What's your problem? Shut up! Ejiofor? Amalasi what? He's sleeping.
Hey!
Kill who? Martin, why are you talking?
Anyị ga-egbu ya. Iwe na-ewono iwe na-ewanyụ eke mma mere arụ. Iwe na-ewono iwe na-ewanyụ eke mma mere arụ. Iwe na-ewono iwe na-ewanyụ eke mma mere arụ. Iwe. That's the one you greet, but we are not happy. These two, Chima and Ekema killed our brother.
Yes, and it's a sacrilege to kill a son or a daughter of this community unjustly. And that is why we have come to perform the necessary ritual so that we can bury them alive.
So did any of you witness this?
We did not witness it though. We didn't see it though, but we overheard our friend they came out here saying that they have killed him. That was when we ran in and found out that Ejiofor here is dead.
Do you want to kill the great warrior who has fought so many battles for this village?
Yes, of course. Before he kills all of us, who know who will be the next on his target?
Besides, we still have our Goma here and the great warrior of this community to be protected.
Quiet! I will have to consult the gods before I will give an order. Go and bury him and lock them up. You will hear from me.
I can't believe that Ekema actually killed Ejiofor.
Including me. She only told me that Ugoma promised to let her be with Chima if she ever gets her brother.
Eh? Is Toby not married?
My sister, I don't know.
No wonder he bent on destroying the marriage, even when the brother told him that he loves his wife and he wants to be with her.
But she don't have to kill Ejiofor now. He was really a nice guy, though he talks too much, but he loves and cherishes Ekema. We knew it. To be sincere with you girls, I really love Ejiofor. He's a nice man, handsome and hardworking. I am really ready to be with him if she dumped him.
It was wrong them killing him. And I can't wait for Ezewan's judgment. If they are found guilty, I will not shed my tears for Ekema.
Me too. I will not shed my precious tears for that evil girl. Please, let's go and tell Tobe that the sister is in the shrine. At least let them make peace before she dies. I'm not going there. I'm not going anywhere.
It was very wrong of them killing him.
Please, let's do it for Ekema's sake. She was once our good friends. She helped us a lot.
And Toby is the only family that she has. Toby deserves to know.
I'm doing it for Toby, not for that murderer. Anyways, let's go. It's okay, please, let us go.
Why? Here he is. Thank you, ma'am.
Listen, I didn't even tell them to lose this.
Shut up.
That's the one. I'm really sorry. It was a mistake. Please. I didn't even mean to kill him. It was just a push.
What were you doing in her house?
No, I wasn't in her house. Eh? No. I saw her along Omukuru.
Eh? So you're cheating on me?
No, Ezewan, I can never do that to you. You know that. I only went to confront her while she's helping Ugoma to marry Toby. Yes, at that time, Ejiofor just walked in and started creating scenes there. That is it. I can never cheat on you, you know that.
I know you didn't say the whole truth. The villagers want someone to die. And someone must die.
Hey!
But do not worry. That person is not you. At least not now. You know what? I will make the whole villagers believe Ekema did it. She will be the one to be dead. But this is the last time. The last time I will clear you from any trouble.
Hey, listen, may God continue to bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You know what? I need to make your marriage with Ugoma work as soon as possible. So you can be with me forever.
Yes. I promise I will focus more this time around. I will.
I made you who you are in this village. So you must stay loyal.
Thank you so much.
Where are they?
Here we are.
Take him back.
Toby, what is this? What is this rubbish?
This is the get. I know you asked for right one, but this one is even better. This one right, please.
Do you think if I eat this I will still be? Oh,
you want to kill me? Do you want to kill me?
Wanda, why are you talking like this?
I asked you to get me white purple, not this. See, it is still green.
This is the one that I could get. This one is even better than that.
You will take this out. Go to that pawpaw tree. Do whatever you can to get me a white purple. I do not know how you want to do it. If you like, fly. If you like, bend. I do not want to know.
What has this woman done to her husband again? This woman will kill this man here one day. I think we should take both of them to Ezenwai so that she will decide their fate before this man dies here in the name of love.
You're right. Call for help.
Let's go there. Let's go and get this
one. Then later I
stop it. You're looking for my trouble, though.
You're going with us. Come, let's go.
To where?
Where?
Leave me alone.
Let's go.
Stop. You should go to where?
Wait. You still have more to talk. By the time you get to Ezenwai, you will understand. Let's go.
No, please leave her. She's not going anywhere. What's the meaning of that?
Leave me alone.
How can you come into my wife and you're taking...
Call the warriors, for she shall be thrown into the evil forest by nightfall.
Yes, that sounds right.
Please, Ezenwai, please. Have mercy on her. Please don't do this to my wife, please. I beg you. Please.
Your wife has committed an abomination, and it is punishable by our law. She shall face the punishment.
Well, if you people insist on throwing her into the evil forest, then I'll go there with her.
And so shall it be. Lock the both of them up.
Mother, that's not the law and you know it. He's meant to report his wife first before you can take action.
I am the law. Lock them up and prepare a grave for Ekemma, for she was found guilty by the gods. She killed Ejiofor just to be with Chima. She shall be buried in the front of all the people of Amampu.
It's okay. Amanda, I'm really sorry for everything I did to the both of you. I tried to break your marriage because of my own selfish interest. I'm sorry. Since I'm going to die, please, I just want you to find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm really sorry.
It is okay. I have not been a good wife either. I do not know what is wrong with me sometimes. I feel like something is controlling me. Toby, please, can you forgive me?
It's okay. I love you so much and that's all that matters.
Shut up! Shut up, all of you! This wouldn't happen if you haven't showed up. Allow me to think. Thank you, Chi. Thank you, Chi, because you would have been dead by now. I would have strangled you.
Tobechukwu, why are you laughing?
Is this not funny? Is it not?
What's funny?
Ejiofor loves you, but you love Chima. And Chima loves Ugoma, and Ugoma loves me. And I love my wife so much. And the same word that I love is trying to kill me. Not a lie.
Very funny indeed.
Be fast. Cut from there.
Stop digging. Nobody shall be buried here today. At least not today.
Ezenwai has ordered us, and we can't stop unless she says so. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Even the king has agreed to this persecution, so we can't just stop now.
Ugoma,
That's true.
we respected and honor you in this village. But in this case, these people have to be punished.
Of course.
Even I, myself, has committed a sacrilege.
Hey! Yes.
How?
Yes. I shamed Amanda.
Hey!
I made her punish her husband the way she did because I wanted her husband.
Hey!
Yes. But even your Ezenwai is not as innocent as she claimed.
Hey!
Yes. Ekemma is innocent. Ekemma didn't kill Ejiofor. Chima did. But Ezenwai is protecting him because they are lovers.
Hey!
Yes. And she's also forcing me to marry Chima. Just because she wants to be close to him.
Hey!
And they can continue with their fornication.
Hey!
She has defied our shrine, which is meant to be married to my gods, Amala Soble. Yet she fornicates around the shrine with her lover.
Lies! Lies! She is lying against me. Just because I didn't help her chase Tobechuk's wife away.
Hey!
This is a very serious allegation that will bring the wrath of the gods in our land. I think we have to go to Ekemwa in Amanato for him to come and investigate and tell us the truth.
Yes!
That is true.
We have to do this to avoid the wrath of the gods.
Bam. Yes.
Ugomma, how dare you? How dare you spoil what I have been building for so many years? I killed your father because of him! You would have been in a royal family, but you chose to destroy what I have been building! Ugomma, I thought you only cared about yourself. When did you start caring about the villagers?
I protected my people from you. I protected them from unjustified death. Yes.
Ugomma, I made you! I could destroy you!
Lies! I was made by the great Amala Soble, the greatest deity of our village and of this kingdom. Nobody can destroy me, not even you, mother.
How dare you! Ugomma! I control powers! Nobody born of human can hear me!
Evil can never win.
Evil
can never win! Yes! Yes, Amala Soble! Yes! Bury her! She has to be the one to be buried in this grave. Evil shall leave Amala Soble! Evil shall leave this community!
Ekemma, Tobe, Amanda.
If it's time for our death, we're ready.
No. I want to apologize. Tobe, you have to forgive your wife. For she didn't know what she was doing all this while. I shamed her. I shamed her because I wanted to be with you. But despite my sham, your love still conquered. And I've learned that love is a great weapon. And I've also learned to care for others apart from myself. So please forgive your wife.
And where is your mother?
Your love has joined our ancestors.
What?
Ekemma, Tobe,
no.
Amanda, I hereby declare you free.
No!
Nobody born of a woman shall destroy your marriage or disturb you in this village. You are free from now on.
Thank you.
No!
Shaina.
No!
Lock it.
What about it?
You're not free.
Please, Ugomma. Ugomma, please. Please.
Your end has come. It is time for your doom.
No! No!
I shall leave you for Ekemmo. You will decide your fate.
No! Please, please! Ugomma, please! It wasn't my fault! You cannot leave me for Ekemmo! Ugomma, please! Please, Ugomma! Please, Ugomma, please!
Will you keep quiet?
Hey, please! Go and beg Ugomma for me.
Shut up!
Hey! Please, I'm dead. Ugomma, please!
I want to thank you for saving our lives.
You're welcome. I know you're not from Amanatu.
No, we're from here.
I planned it all. I sent Ekemma to your part and I know she would love to help you, so I know everything.
Please help us. Help us out of this place. We need to reconnect with our family. My mom will be worried sick now. Please, just help us. Please.
You can change. I will lead you out of this village.
You should come with us. Our world is civilized.
No.
This is my place. This is where I belong. I need to stay here and protect my people. Listen, I have to thank you for teaching me how to love and opening my eyes to the evil my mother and Chima is into. Thank you. I will never forget you.
I'll never forget you too.
What if they ask about us?
Leave that to me. Go on, go and change.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And
thank you.
Greet the young one when he comes.
Thank you. Thank you.